Cleaning a hoarder's home can be a challenging and sensitive task that requires careful planning, patience, and empathy. Hoarding disorder is a mental health condition, and individuals affected may have difficulty discarding items, leading to excessive clutter. Here are some steps to consider when cleaning a hoarder's home. 1. Before starting the cleaning process, assess the extent of the clutter and potential safety hazards. Identify areas that need immediate attention, such as blocked exits or unsanitary conditions. 2. Create a detailed plan outlining the cleaning process, including specific areas to tackle first. Prioritize safety by identifying and addressing potential hazards. 3. If the hoarding situation is severe, consider involving mental health professionals, social workers, or hoarding cleanup specialists. Mental health professionals can work with the affected individual to address the underlying issues contributing to hoarding. 4. Enlist the help of a supportive and understanding team, including friends, family, or professional cleaners. Ensure team members are briefed on the sensitive nature of the task. 5. Hoarding is often linked to emotional distress, so be prepared to provide emotional support during the process. Encourage the affected individual to be part of the decision-making process regarding which items to keep, donate, or discard. 6. Break down the cleaning process into manageable tasks, focusing on one area at a time. Sort items into categories, such as keep, donate, recycle, and discard. 7. Arrange for proper disposal of items based on local regulations. Consider recycling, donating usable items, and coordinating with local waste disposal services for bulk item pickup. And prioritize safety by ensuring clear pathways, addressing structural issues, and removing any hazardous materials. Use personal protective equipment, PPE, such as gloves and masks when necessary. 9. Respect the individual's privacy and maintain confidentiality during and after the cleanup process. Avoid sharing details about the situation without the individual's consent. Implement preventive measures. Work with the affected individual to establish strategies for maintaining a clutter-free environment. Encourage ongoing support from mental health professionals and support groups. Remember that hoarding cleanup can be emotionally challenging for everyone involved. Patience, understanding, and a non-judgmental approach are crucial throughout the process. If the hoarding situation is severe, involving mental health professionals is essential for long-term success. If you enjoyed watching this video, then don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe.